welcome back. Well, as you know from my last video, all the plants and herbs got destroyed because of the weather and just things in general. But I went to Home Depot, just got back, and bought things to restore with. Bought some marigolds, just different flowers. I also bought some cilantro, rosemary, sweet tomatoes, some sweet peppers and hot peppers. Got some basil. So I'm going to get all this. I think I've got a really good start to getting my greenhouse looking really nice again. All right. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to group everything together, and then I'll start planting them. This is the rosemary, so I'll put it to one side. I've got another rosemary over here. This is my basil. This is the hot pepper. This is the sweet pepper, so hot and sweet. Cilantro. I've never been really good with cilantro though, but try again. So I'm going to put it over here. This is the mint and this is spearmint. So, let's put it right here. Some more cilantro. And another pepper. Ooh, this is a sweet pepper. So sweet pepper, sweet pepper, sweet pepper. Okay. Okay, and the rest of them are the flowers. This is the Celestial Red. I've got 2 of these. And then this, oh, this is my cherry tomato. Put this down here for right now. I only got 1 marigold. I guess I should have got more marigolds, but I'm hoping they're all just going to bloom out and do really well and spread. So, I'm going to put all the flowers in one. This is a petunia. This is a marigold. So I can do the orange and the yellow marigolds together. This is a petunia. It's the only purple one I could find. And this is a dragon rose, which is a hot pepper. I thought I got 2 hot peppers. So I'm going to put this with that other hot pepper. And another email. Okay. So all these I'm going to plant together. These will be together. That will be together. Those will be together. My sweet peppers and sweet peppers. My cilantro. My basil. My mint. Cilantro. Give you right here. Hot pepper. Sweet pepper. Hot pepper. I want to get my peppers messed up. And cherry tomatoes. I will be getting more and more cherry tomatoes. Okay, just got to get some pots to put them in. Some of my pots are going to be really big for some of these flowers, but like I said, I'm hoping that they will bloom really well. Okay, so all the herbs and vegetables are planted. Note to self, I need more pots, and I'm going to need some more soil. But I've got some pots for the flowers. They already have some soil in them, so I'm going to try to finish up the flowers now. I love, I love getting my hands in the dirt. I hardly ever wear the garden gloves. It's a real challenge though, getting your nails cleaned afterwards, but I just love the feel. I love the smell of the cilantro, the spearmint. It's just so nice. It's just so relaxing here. I love it. Okay, let me kind of clear this off a little bit, and then we'll get started on the flowers. Okay, time for the flowers now. This one has no soil. I'm not going to have enough soil, so I'm going to get one of these that already have soil in them. Okay. That way I can just add on, and hopefully we'll have enough to finish it out. Here's the last. I need just a little bit more dirt in that. Have a nice little mixture in this one. You know, you can buy them just a lot bigger than this and already started, but I like starting them when they're small and seeing if I can get them to grow and bloom. Okay. Okay, well, everything's planted. I put the flowers over here, and then I'll show you the vegetables. The vegetables and the herbs. I've already watered them before I started replanting them, so I'm just going to kind of dampen them a little bit here. All the herbs, give them a little bit of water. Not much, because I've already had a little bit of a bath here. Okay. Came out to be a very nice afternoon. time and the money. I especially want more herbs. Probably have enough flowers, but we'll get more and more herbs. I did want to show you something. Tom made me the nicest little 3-tier little tray surface, and I want to show that to you. And I have to stain it. I've stained the top part, but it started raining, so I couldn't finish the rest. I'm going to try to finish that today too. So hold on. Okay, so this is the little 3-tier that he built me. Isn't that nice? He pretty much built this completely on his own. I just love it. And see, I've stained this. It's a dark walnut stain, but I didn't get to finish it, so I am going to finish it now. I'll probably keep a lot of my spices on it, because as you can see, it's right here by our stove. And right now I just have them over here, so I can kind of clean that up a little bit. And then these spices that are over here, I'll put a lot of them over on the little tier thing. So when I finish that up, I'll let you see it. It's going to be beautiful. But here we go. Okay, so I got our 3-tier tray. I've turned it upside down because I want to do the bottom first, and then I'll start in on the top. It's gonna be pretty. Next time, we'll dip them in the
Oh,
stain.
that's a good idea.
Yeah, because trying to get in these
Stain
little
dip?
cracks
Yeah.
is hard. I'm going to do what I can, and then I'm going to get a little brush and get in there, because trying to get in those is really hard to do.
Yeah.
Are you going to work?
I'm going to work.
Say bye to everybody.
Bye to everybody. I wish I wasn't having to go. Bye. Have a great night, and I hope you enjoy the staining.
Okay, so I am having to use a brush to get in these grooves. The rag wouldn't do it, but the brush is working really well. So what I'll do, I'll finish this, and then when it's dry, I'll flip it over and do the top. Then when it dries, I get to put all my spices on it. See you soon. Thanks for joining. See you again at home with Tom and Rhonda. I'll put a picture at the end of the video to let you see it with all the spices on it. You guys take care. Okay, my 3-tier spice rack is now complete. It's a beautiful little 3-tier tray for spices. Thank you, Tom.